All right, we are back to the Credit K YouTube channel with your host, Credit K. And we talk about anything business credit related, personal credit related, finance, Bitcoin, crypto, new bull run, anything to level up in life, to progress and have success is what we are about here on this YouTube channel. So today, you see the bank game. We're going over a lovely bank that has incredible business credit products as well as personal credit products. Bank is called Citizens Bank. They are a national bank with branches in several states, but not all states. So what you can do to find a branch closest to you is use the search tool or use Google. You know, they got plenty of ways to find a branch or ATM near you. But what we're going to do is show you how to apply for the business credit cards or any other business product strictly through the website. So I got the business credit portion already pulled up for their credit cards. I'm going over some data points uh, for you guys for sticking around and watching this video. And like I said, don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button because we are here to bring this value to you guys. And I'm on a quest to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help me do that. If I provide value for you, if you're liking the videos, if you even got approved from watching one of my videos, leave a comment below. If you're a member of Citizens Bank, if you have one of these credit cards, leave a comment below. But let's see what they have. So for their MasterCards and for all of their credit card products on the business credit side, they do what is called a soft pull first. So they soft pull to qualify you to make sure that you are even a qualified member to receive their products. So, and then once you get pre-qualified and they approve you, then they do a hard pull, which comes from Equifax. And there's ways to get those hard inquiries removed from your credit, in which I have plenty of other videos to link. And if you want to watch those videos to learn how to remove inquiries off your credit report. But let's kind of go into it. Of course, they have the zero interest APR for 6 months. So for half the year, you can have zero interest APR and make those purchases. Don't have to worry about debt. Don't have to worry about utilization because it's on your business side. And the reason I require everyone to apply for a business card, even if you don't have a business per se, you can still get a business credit card. Not from everybody, but from a couple of banks. And you can apply and the utilization does not show up on your personal credit report. So it's a good thing about this one, the utilization don't show up and you're not giving charged interest for 6 months. So that's a great thing to have. These have a low interest rate of 11.24 and can go all the way up to 21. You get points, get 2 points for every dollar spent and earn up to 3.5 back if you spend 5,000 in the first 3 months. So you get 3.5% back on your purchases when you spend 5,000 a month. So that's a game these a lot of credit cards play. Don't fall for it all the time unless you have a high income cash flow coming in where you can pay this off. If you got a purchase you've been saving up for anyway, go ahead and put it on a credit card, get the points, and then pay it off with the cash you've been saving up for. But do not, I repeat, do not get a credit card, spend $5,000 or more just because they say you get a cash back. And then once the 0% interest ends and that 21 or 16% interest kicks in on the entire balance, then you're going to be paying about 25% on that 5,000 balance, and you do not want to do that. So that's enough about the everyday points. Let's go into the platinum. Usually with platinum credit cards, the balances are the amount they give you are a lot higher than the other products. The interest rates are a little bit lower as well. So they start at 8.24 interest rate, which is great low interest rate for a credit card. And then, so you can make these balances and carry the balance over from month to month. And they also offer the 0% introductory APR for the first 6 months. So we kind of compare these two credit cards that they have. The Everyday Points is kind of more for beginners. If your credit score probably under 720, I wouldn't apply for it. Remember, they pull from Equifax during the hard pull and the kind of the soft pull. And kind of just look at that score, but they don't actually pull an inquiry on you. So it's great. If you kind of on that 650, 660 borderline, I always say don't apply for a credit card unless you get a 680. But if you kind of on that borderline, I have seen people get approved for credit cards. So do the pre-qual. I repeat, do the pre-qual. Just go ahead, click apply, go through the process. It'll let you know that you're not going to be your credit score will not be affected if you do the soft pull, do the pre-qual, and they'll come back with a decision. Like I said, smaller banks like these are great. They work with a lot of people. They give high limits. They want your business. And also they do have a lot of other business products, such as business bank loans and other things of that nature. So definitely check them out. And like I said, here are some other things: loans to purchase, capital improvement, lines of credit for working capital. So they say they have more than business credit cards. They have a wealth of business products that you can apply for. It's very simple, straightforward, or you can call and get a little bit more information as well. All right. So what I like to do is tell you guys about my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group that if you're still here watching this video, I'm going to give you free access to it. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can click on the link, get access to the Facebook group. I answer questions about business credit, personal credit related. I help people out with credit repair, and I also have a business credit mentorship where I guarantee I can get you up to $50,000 worth of business credit, as well as allow you to purchase vehicles and other equipment in your business name only that's not attached to your social security number. So this is a very powerful mentorship. It allows people to do things that they would not able to do just saving up, only making 60, 70 a year or less. It's kind of hard to save these days and, fund money to fund the business. But if I can get your personal credit score up and build your business credit up, I can get you the funding that you need to start a business like I did here for ECO Suites, my virtual address and co-working space, as well as my YouTube studio. So definitely check me out on that Facebook group, or if you have any questions about this video or any video that you or any bank or company that you want me to do a video on, leave a comment below. I take requests, and I'm here to help you guys level up and get your credit right, get to that 700 credit score. I do not preach 800 credit scores. Anything over 750 is a waste of credit score. That means you're not using it, and I want you to use it to leverage and build wealth. But make sure you pay off those balances. Do not get into debt and have to go file for bankruptcy or have to close any businesses because you're over leveraging and borrowing too much money. All right, preacher. Until next time, thank you for seeing. Hit the notification bell if you want to be up to date on these videos. And introducing my new channel, Jamal Black. I'm going to rename it Jamal Black Show. Saw a couple other people with that Jamal Black title, but I'm going to name it the Jamal Black Show. It's a lifestyle channel going over different things going on in the news, going on in my life, you guys' lives. It's talking about relationships, finance, living up in life, kids, dealing with kids. So just, kind of my lifestyle, my background. All right. Till next time. Pretty.